What if there was an easy way to find out how much you can save on your Masterbatch? What if sharing a few basic parameters and a bit of your time could reveal thousands of euros in savings each year? With Ferlin's free live test? That's exactly what happens. We show you how far we can drop the average percentage of your Masterbatch without touching your color quality. First, you can get an indication through our online calculator. But during the live test, we turn those indications into facts fast. Together, we place a Gravimix directly on the inlet of your injection molding machine. We start at your current percentage and then lower it step by step. And every run is checked with a delta E meter. So we don't hope the color is right, we prove it. You'll see exactly how much Masterbatch you can cut before the color even begins to deviate. Most customers are surprised, not just by the accuracy, but by how quickly the savings add up. And with typical payback times of just 3 months, the business case speaks for itself. Don't get stuck with unneeded costs. Request your free Ferlin test today and discover how fast your Gravimix can pay for itself, often within a single quarter. A few hours of testing, decades of savings.